Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So obviously today is the last day of Coachella, and of course I'm not there, but I can be there in spirit. And today I decided to show you guys a quick little hair and makeup look for Coachella. You know, a girl can dream. One day somebody will fly me out to Coachella so I can see Beyonce perform for 2 hours straight on the stage, you know. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this hair and makeup, then just keep on watching. So this is the wig. It's actually the wig that It's My Ray Ray has, and she posted what it was on Instagram, and I had to go to Amazon and order it right in there. It comes with these 3 clips, and it also has an adjustable strap. And I just put my hair in 4 braids. I do have this white stuff at the front of my hair because I put the wig on yesterday. But I wanted to go ahead and do this look again for you guys. So here it is. I'm just going to take my Gots to Be Glued and put that all around my edges. Let it get a little bit tacky, and then I'm going to go ahead and just put the wig on. As you can see, the edges are a little stiff because like I said, I had it on yesterday. But what I'm going to do is just put some water on my edges. That'll soften up the gel. And then I'll go ahead and lay them the way I want them to lay. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and get started on my makeup. I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm taking this Morphe 35U palette. I used the second to the left color in the second row for the transition, and now I'm just going in with the yellow shadow. Now I'm going to take this turquoise, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner of my eye. Then I'm going to take this purple and just work that into the crease. And don't worry, y'all, I know the color payoff is not the greatest right now. I am going to go ahead and adjust it a little later on in the video. Now I did my foundation and concealer off camera. I used my Fenty foundation in the color 340, and then of course I used my MAC Pro Longwear concealer in the color NW35, and then I'm just sitting there with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm taking my City Color Contour Effects contour palette to just put some more color back in my face. And I didn't feel like that was dark enough, so I'm taking my Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Warm Hazelnut, and I'm just going to use that as a bronzer as well. And then I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Magic Mosaic Custom Bronzer in the color Light Bronzer. And I'm using that to wipe away the excess translucent powder. Then I'm going back into my 35U palette, and I'm taking this hot pink color, and I'm just going to work that in my bottom lash line. Then I'm taking my Kilowatt in the color Hustler Baby, and I'm going to put that into my inner tear duct. And I'm using the Physicians Formula Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliner in Serum and Ultra Black for my eyeliner. And then for mascara, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. I decided to also put on these True Volume Kiss Lashes in Ritzy. And then for my blush, I'm using this e.l.f. blush palette in the color Light. And for highlight, I'm using both Moscow Mule and Hustler Baby from Fenty Beauty, the Kilowatts. Of course, I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC Fix Plus, and then I'm topping it off with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. And there you have it. Look like a brand new person than what y'all saw when I was putting on this wig though. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm not a makeup artist, but I try to do a little something, and I'm actually really proud of how this came out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.